Hi, in this video I will show you how to query AntibiogramJ. So here, well, as I have shown you previously in the other videos, the main functionality of AntibiogramJ is to identify, measure and categorize the inhibition zones of antibiogram images. And all this information is added to a database, so we can query the system. So to query the system, we go to the search menu, and there are several options. We can start searching by antibiotics. So we can ask the system to search all the bacteria for which a given antibiotic is resistant, intermediate, or susceptible. So for instance, we can select all. So um, just some examples, penicillin, sorry. I select this one, and it shows that this strain number was resistant for this antibiotic. You can change to intermediate and susceptible, and we have that for this bacteria, this other strain, the moxin was susceptible. Okay, and the results can be exported to an Excel file. Well, you can imagine as more families and more bacteria antivirals have you analyzed, the more results that you can obtain. And well, you can export it to an Excel file for further use. And you can also filter. So, well, in this case there is only one option, so we have this. But you can filter by family and also by species. Another search, you can search by strain. So you can search for which antibiotics for which antibiotics the selected strains are either resistant or intermediate. So if we select one of them, it shows all the antibiotics for which this strain is resistant. If we select the two strains, it shows the two antibiotics for which these two strains are resistant. And again, we can export the results to an Excel file. And the last way of searching is to create a new experiment. So we can create a new experiment selecting bacteria from other experiments that have been already created in AntibiogramJ. So, well, we can select these two experiments and go to the option Save a View, and this will create a new experiment only with these two antibiograms. We can filter the search and also search from one day to another. Okay. And these are the ways of searching in AntibiogramJ.